Let's walk through the hardware quick start guide for your new AllSecure4K wireless security kit. To start using your recorder, you'll need a high-definition TV capable of displaying 720p, 1080p, or 4K video, a broadband internet connection, an Android or iOS mobile device to download the Swann security app. To ensure there was no damage in shipping, we recommend you connect everything and verify functionality before performing a permanent installation. Before installing the camera in its intended location, charge the battery with the included USB cable for 30 minutes and then disconnect it. Next, remove the safety sticker and insert the battery until it clicks into place. After a short moment, you'll hear a beep. Place the antenna vertically for best reception. Remove the protective covering from the lens. Repeat for all the cameras. To connect the recorder to an HD TV, plug one end of an HDMI cable into the port on the back of the NVR and the other end of the cable into an HDMI port on your display. Next, connect the supplied Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your NVR. Then connect the other end to a spare port on your router or Wi-Fi access point. Next, connect the mouse by plugging it into the USB port closest to the Ethernet port. To copy events and perform firmware upgrades, connect your USB flash drive to the other port. Now, connect the power adapter to the NVR. Next, connect the power adapter to an outlet. You should now see the setup wizard on your display. Watch the next segment, Wizard Quick Start Guide, to configure your power hub.